Hey guys, it's Shawnee. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So the 4x4 Rubik's Cube is nicknamed the Revenge Rubik's Cube, which is weird. And yeah, in the 4x4 Rubik's Cube is actually the second hardest. No, never mind. It's not the very hardest. It's easy. It's very easy. Well, not as easy as a 3x3, but because you got 3x3 stage. Okay, where did I left off? Okay, there. And this requires some slice move. So slice move is the PLO parity. You need to do that. And all parity is the hardest one of it. The algorithm that I did is the hardest one. So now let's scramble up. That looks scrambled enough to me, so let's get started. You want to make a white bar. So find a white. If it's on this side, it's better. If it's not, you want to make like a white bar like this. If a white is on the top, you can do like that and make this pair and the other one. So you don't want to mess up this. So you can do U move to move it like to the side, and the down one you can do D prime, RW. So these together is called the RW, and the FR. I wanted to pair up the centers. So it should be very easy though, and just do the same thing for the yellow side, except there will be no yellow on the bottom, so it's easier. So you want to do, in order to put this bar up, you want to do RLW prime U2 LW, and that will make these bar on top, and then make another bar like here. Put it here like this. Just do a DW. And then just insert it like a T teach you RW U2 RW inverted. And now I usually start with the blue center because it's the easiest to memorize. So I have the white on the bottom and the yellow on the top. So you want to pair up these. The blue first like that. If you have one right here, don't do like that. Instead, do a U-turn and then pair up like this. So this is have the color scheme. So the color scheme is down white, up yellow, front blue, back green, right. Oh, how kind of so right. Red, left, orange. Yeah, that's the color scheme, and yeah. And the next step is to pair another bar, which is right here. And then make sure you don't destroy this. And do an R inverted move. And then do a D2, DW2. I want you to pair up these. And next is a red center. So we already have a white red bar right here, so we can just pair it up. Or I'm gonna show you this case because it's a little bit different. Here, kind of damage the blue center. Here, if you got a red right here and a red right here, do R inverted, and you want to bring this back without damaging this, U or U prime R inverted. Well, the blue center will not move. And for this one, it's the same. So R2, D2, R2 will get you paired up. And here's some cases. So case number 1 is like this. You just have to do like that. Wait. You just have to make it aligned. So we have this. So yellow on the bottom, green on the top, like that. And like that. So you can just do whatever side you want and also get this. So once you get this, you want to do, you want to pair this up with these. So if it got no green here, you can move this piece and want to pair it with this and move and do a U prime move and move these piece back down here. And it will get you done with the centers. So let's check if it's the right color scheme. I always check that because, you know. So this is the right color scheme, see? Corner pieces lined. Now, time for the edge pairing. So the edge pairing is I hate the step, the edge pairing, but you have to do it. So the first case is this. You got this piece at here and this piece at the bottom, which is all on the bottom. You only have to do U prime UW prime like that, and then do right up, right inverted F, right inverted F inverted right, and then just move this and center back, and you should get these two paired up. And another case is, let's find an edge, which is right here. So you got this on the top and this on the bottom. Don't do the U prime W move. You just want to do the algorithm right up, right inverted F, right inverted, front inverted right. So without the U prime, you only do that. And then you do U prime with that algorithm. So right up, right F, right inverted F, R inverted, and just do it back, which helps us edge. And do this for every single edge. So I may just put the algorithm up for you. So I may find that thing. Wait a sec. I believe none of you can read Chinese, but I can. Some Chinese, you know. So here, we got this algorithm, which you can use too, but this is not the most efficient algorithm because the finger tricks are not the most comfortable one. So let me find the other one, which is the one that I learned from. It's right here. Here. This algorithm. You can pause the video or take a snap. So yeah, that's the algorithm. You can pause the video right now, and I'm just gonna do it all. So for the 4x4, there's a last stage called the edge. No, the 3x3 stage, which is the easiest now. So you have to require to know how to solve a 3x3 before to solve a 4x4. So yeah. Okay, so look at oh, there we go. It might be good if you learn that algorithm though. Like this algorithm. This algorithm right here, it will help you too though. Huh? Wait, I'm just, talking to my dad. I'm just gonna... And like that, you will get this edge paired. And this one, I got the yellow one. One. We almost done with the edge pairing. We're almost done. I believe this is the last pair, which I'm right. When you get the last pair, you will pair 2 at a time. So here, when you got this done, let's do the 3x3 stage now. So 3x3, I'm not gonna talk about that much. So yeah. You may find your time slower on this because, the 4x4 is not as comfortable as 3x3s. So it might take you longer. So if you average like 50 seconds, you'll get about a minute or a minute and a half even to do it. So here's the first case. Oh, parody, da 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 da. You gotta flip these 2, and that's the hardest algorithm that I ever learned in my life. So you wanna do R2, RW2, B2, U2, L, W, U2, R inverted, W, U2, R, just copy me, U2, F2, R, F2, L, B2, R2 will get you flipped. So here, take a snap of this algorithm. It will help you to remember. Well, yeah, if you're done with that algorithm, continue solving it as a 3x3 until you get another case which is impossible. Call the PL a parity, so it can solve any case that is not been showed on 3x3 when your yellow sides are solved. It can get to any impossible cases. So for this case, you want to do. I'm not sure if you're comfortable with slice move though. So slice move is like this. It is the move, or if you are not comfortable with it, just do like that. That equals the slice move. So I'm just gonna do the slice move, which is like that. And when you do that, and you will get a possible case now. And you can just do the thing that you do on the 3x3. And that's how solving the 4x4. And it's best if you take the picture of this algorithm here. You may get a snap of this or pause the video. Okay. Now, this is how to onto the tutorial how to solve the 4x4. Goodbye. See ya. I'm Shawnee. Bam. Bam. Wait until I finish this algorithm. Bye.